First, you will need to download the extension as a zip file and unzip it locally on your computer. Then navigate to the Chrome Extensions page. Turn on Developer Mode using the toggle switch in the top right corner. Select the unzipped extension folder you downloaded, typically named Save to Tryon. The extension is successfully loaded and appears in the list. Now, let's go to an online retailer's website, such as Amazon, and find a product you want to save. Click on an image or product to view its details. I suggest you pin your extension for easy access. Click the puzzle piece icon, find AI Photo Studio, and click the pin. Now, click the extension icon to open the pop-up. Click Scan for Images. The extension scans the page and displays the images it finds. Click to download under the desired image. To make saving easier, we offer commands to set up category folders. Back on the main extension page, you can copy and paste the provided commands for either macOS or Windows into your terminal or command prompt. Paste the command, run it, and it will create a folder structure on your desktop. Execute the terminal command. Now you have a main folder, for example, clothes_men, with convenient subfolders like tops, bottoms, and shoes. Now back to a product page. Click the extension icon and scan for images again. Click to download, and in the Save window, you can now navigate directly to your new folder. Select the appropriate subfolder, like tops, and save the image immediately. Your image is saved and ready for use with the AI Photo Studio. Thank you.